What are macros and why are they so important for fat loss? Macros are short for macronutrients. The three main macronutrients you need to focus on are protein, carbs, and fats. Protein, think of lean chicken, fish, eggs, egg whites, even Greek yogurt. Carbs, think oats, sweet potatoes, brown rice, and fruit. And healthy fats, think nuts, seeds, coconut oil, olive oil, and even avocado. Now these macros are what make up your calories that you're consuming. But see, the trick is it's not just calories in, calories out when we're talking fat loss. And this is the number one mistake I see when I'm dealing with women is that they're eating just to stay low calorie, but they're not focused on proper balance to the macros, which is control of our hormones. And as we age, our hormones play a major role in fat loss, not just cutting calories. So here's how I simplify tracking macros so you can make sure you have the right balance to actually fuel your body for fat loss, not restrict it and get into starvation mode. When we're talking about macros, you want to make sure that each time you're preparing your plate, you're always prioritizing protein. You want to think 30 grams of protein in each meal. Anything less than that, I consider just a snack. And we want to focus on 3 to 4 complete meals per day. What's wrong with snacking? Well, the more you eat or the more you snack, insulin raises. And when insulin raises, fat burning stops. So the only way to get your body in a fat burning state faster is by eating a larger meal and then allowing time for that insulin level to drop back down and the body to get into a fat burning state. This is why 6-7 meals per day, or what most women do, which is just grazing all day long because they're too scared to eat a big meal to think that they don't want to be bloated or go over their calorie count for the day, you're actually putting your body in a fat storage mode rather than allowing it to get into a fat burning state in between your meals. So again, making your plate, just think of prioritizing protein, chicken breasts, Greek yogurt, ground beef, eggs, and then fill your plate with leafy greens and lots of veggies, and then make sure you do have a healthy source of fat. Top everything with avocado, saute it in a little bit of olive oil, or even use grass-fed ground butter. Yes, butter is okay, and if you still don't think so, throw out that 90s diet book. With my style of training, I balance your hormones first. Then the body can get into a fat burning state. But the problem is most women undereat, and especially protein. And if you're not getting enough protein, your cravings go up and your metabolism slows down, leaving your body to just store fat. So do yourself a favor. Focus on protein, carbs, and fat, and put them in a balanced section each and every meal. Stop your snacking and start fueling the body for fat loss. If you want more help on how your custom macros should look, I do have a link in the description to sign up for my one-on-one coaching for more in-depth, or if you don't need a coach and you just want a structured plan, I have a fitness app as well to still customize your macros, give you full meal plans and workouts to follow to speed up your fat loss results just on your time. So check out those links in the description, follow for more, and don't forget to subscribe to keep learning how we make fat loss simple.